ever since I put my new 213 steering wheel in this car and did the modified CAN bus stuff on my gateway to get the flappy paddles to work, we've had one problem. That problem is, here is the high beam stalk, here is the paddle. When I press the high beam stalk, what do you see here? Confirming on my TCU app, whenever I press the high beam stalk sometimes hard enough, you can see it changes the position to minus, meaning that right now, whenever I press the high beam stalk, the car will downshift because this is being pressed. But I think I have an idea as to how I'm going to patch this. So to see how, here is my PC. And as you can see, there's this little controller up here. This acts as the gateway between CAN B and CAN C on this car. Whenever it sees the custom CAN frame from the steering wheel adapter say the paddle has been pressed, it will forward that onto the powertrain CAN as a different message for the TCU to understand. But because it's on the CAN B, it can also read if the high beams are being activated via the flasher stalk. So my idea is to write a little bit of a patch whereby if we see that if we're flashing the headlights and you see a minus input from the paddles, don't forward that minus paddle input. And this is the software patch. It's really simple. It just checks if the high beam is if the high beam is not pressed, and if so, then we input the minus paddle signal to CAN C. All done. And now, as you can see, when I press the paddle, it registers minus, but if I press the high beam and the paddle at the same time, it doesn't register. So, bug fixed.